What's going on, Motley Garagers? All right. Oh, cool. I was just on Rabbit Mining's YouTube channel. I saw that he had a single board miner rig. Now, yes, I am on XMR rig. I'm not developing the game in Unity right now. Actually, I haven't developed the game in Unity once I got hooked on back into Bitcoin mining, and I started. Let's check out my hash. It's only getting. I'm only doing CPU mining because my GPU only has 2 gigabytes. So I'm getting 1.92 kilohash. This is what it's saying on the website. But here it says a hash a second. So, but what I've been doing is I took a little bit of break on Unity. I've been learning a lot of codes from Unity and writing that stuff in Unity. But I also been using my PC because I want to build Xavier a gaming PC. We've been getting back into Bitcoin mining. Now, these 2 hard drives have burst coin on them, but I can't do nothing with them back in 2016 because I lost the ledger. And yeah, so for my depression and to help me out, hey, I've been out here just 3D printing, designing some parts. I got to get ready to sell some cookie cutters that I designed from my brother-in-law, and yeah, we just been mining. We've been mining away. Now, so far, we already took a payout back on the 18th. It was like 17 cents of XMR. Monero's going for $218 USD. So if I get a coin, I'm gonna be super happy. Even if it drops down to like 1 penny, I still mined a coin. I did it. I feel good. You know. So I'm using monerohash.com for PC mining. And we're almost at a coin. I've been mining now for about 9 days because I've been also using MinerGate. I've been watching the PC. Like, I stopped mining. I took this payout right here on the 18th, and I started mining with MinerGate for about 4 days, and then I went back to XMR because I wanted to try and GPU mine. I was like, oh, I could GPU mine and CPU mine, but the DAT file is way too large. So I'm going to go to Micro Center probably later on today. So hopefully I have my GoPro charged. We're going to Micro Center if we can, videotape. I don't know. Check out some of those 3070s. Check out some of those 3060s. I'm not really for sure if my PC can even take one of those. Like I said, this is an old PC that I built a long time ago. Let's see here. That was the card, overclock edition. And then the motherboard is just a 970 gaming. I'm not really for sure how many GPU. I know I can hook up multiple GPUs. I mean, if I can get away with just buying one better GPU, mine with that GPU for like a month, I know I'm not gonna, reach IRO, whatever they cost, like the cost of the part, because cost of parts right now are super, super expensive right now. But I do want to go, when I get paid on the 3rd, go pick up Xavier motherboard, pick him up like a cheap graphics card, or probably just pull this graphics card out, give him this graphics card, because he can game on it. I play Call of Duty, the free Call of Duty, Warzone, whatever it's called. We play that, play Grand Theft Auto on the card, Fortnite, just the normal stuff, Apex Legends. Runs pretty good on this card, but it's only a 2 gig VRAM card, so I want to find something at least like an 8 gig VRAM card, and I want to hash away. I want to get coins. I wish I was doing this back in 2016, kicking myself in the butt, but we love RC cars, and so we're going to continue with that. We got another build coming up. We finished that Honda CR80 build. The customer, I believe they like it. They haven't complained about it. So if there's any like wheel cracks or anything, I'm pretty sure he'll bring it back so that way I can fix it. But we got a new build coming up. We're going to take the Motovox mini bike, and we're either going to make it into a trike, put a Predator 212 on it, or we're probably going to turn it into like a 4-wheeler. I got the front end of this one 4-wheeler. I want to take that off, maybe weld it to that frame. Or I'm thinking about just building, because the retail shop has a Cadillac Power Wheels, so I'm thinking about grabbing that and building like a Power Wheels build, So let me know in the comments what you guys want to see. There's going to be more mining, more 3D printing, more game development. I mean, we're going to do it big this 2020, especially we get a little passive income. Even if I know I'm not even making $1 a day at this right now, I'm probably making like -$1 a day. I'm probably burning more electricity than I am mining, but I'm just happy to see it working. Actually see some funds actually going to my account, you know, just to see it going. You know, I got some buddies that want to do some mining. This is round 2. I got my butt kicked in round 1 of Bitcoin mining, but round 2 I'm going to come out strong. I've been watching a lot of Voscoin. I know he does ASIC mining. Been watching a lot of Red Panda mining, Rabbit mining, Son of a Tech. They're pretty cool. I watched their live stream last night. Didn't really get no help about, you know, graphics cards or what's the best one to start out with at first, but I'm learning. I'm just gonna go ahead and get an 8 gig. I was thinking about getting a 6 gig. I'm gonna get an 8 gig card. That way I can, you know, longevity and stuff like that. But yeah, dude, that's what we've been doing. Like, share, subscribe. Peace and love. I love you guys. Stay true to yourselves. Flow like water, and we'll get this, you guys. All right, peace out.